Hello viewers, welcome back to another video in my channel. So today I am gonna show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail by using Canva.com. So let's start. First you have to open a web browser and search Canva.com. You have to make an account in Canva and click here YouTube thumbnail. So you can click here design. You can see thousands of templates in here, but some of them are premium, you have to buy them. But in this free version you can do a lot of things. You can search any template in here. Simply I get this, click in it, so you can see it come. So you have only to change these things. Double click on it and you can change these texts. I type browser and you can resize here simply. Also you can replace these ones too. You can adjust these texts for your size. Okay, you can change these ones too. And in here you can add elements. See, arrows, frames, lots of this. And also you can add videos, stickers, and here you can add text for your, and you can add text for your thumbnail. This is for this you want premium. Here you can upload your files, photos, videos or anything. Here you can see tools, you can use them too. Projects, this is my projects I do recently. By using all of these things you can make your thumbnail by easy. So let's find how to download this. If you want download, click here share and you can see here download. Wait a while. See, now we can download this. It's downloading. Okay, you can find it on downloads. See, this is it. You can see it is beautiful. So I end my video. If this video is helpful to you, subscribe my channel and like this video. So goodbye.